Finally, proven science meets proven beauty. Cerule has pioneered a world-first stem cell regenerating night cream using the proven magic of AFA with sensational natural ingredients to bring you the scientifically proven, secret tester-endorsed, amazing breakthrough in skincare technology. For years, we have documented the incredible benefits of releasing adult stem cells from your bone marrow and the unbelievable benefits experienced by hundreds of thousands of people globally. Now, our scientists have developed this world-first formula using AFA in our regenerating night cream. For the last few months, secret testers around the globe have been using this product, and the testimonials are mind-blowing. Our skin is our body's largest organ and acts as a barrier to protect us, but age is never on our side. Over time, our skin becomes damaged and broken and simply does not regenerate as it once did. When we rest at night, our body regenerates our skin cells and prepares it for the next day. However, our skin cells become less numerous and our ability to regenerate new cells becomes less efficient. Slowly, our skin becomes thinner and wrinkles deepen, resulting in a loss of radiance and firmness. Scientifically proven, our studies show Cerule's AFA Regenerating Night Cream accelerates the cellular growth in the critical levels of the skin to really improve lines, wrinkles, and texture. Skin regeneration is essential in slowing down cellular aging and maintaining a youthful appearance. AFA accelerates the process of cell regeneration and repair in your skin from 2 hours after application. Finally, a complete inside-outside solution for skin regeneration. The combination of increased circulation of adult stem cells with Stem Enhance Ultra and topically applied AFA will ensure cellular repair exactly where you need it. Your skin becomes smoother, firmer, and deeply moisturized. Relish in less visible wrinkles and a silky, luminous complexion.